Jai Jai Gurudev. Sambhujya Sri Ravishankar Guruji. Guruji is the incarnation of greatness. Valmiki Maharshi introduced Sri Rama as the greatest human being ever lived. During the course of Agni Pariksha, all the Devas asked Rama, "Can't you understand Sita's charitram is pure?" Then Rama replied, "I am the human being. I am a human being who knows me. Our Guruji is like Rama, who knows himself. Guruji is teaching us to break the shell, discover in us." Guruji once said, "We are busy wanting something all the time. One want finishes, another comes up right away. They are in a queue, like the planes in Los Angeles airport, one behind the other. One plane takes off, and in 2 minutes, another one takes off." Guruji continues, "When we ponder on the very nature of our mind, the question, what is the wish of our life, comes up. This very question is a sign of human. The fulfillment of your wishes attaches an equally important purpose. The purpose is your liability towards your fellow citizens, your responsibility for your neighbors. The wish is for us and the purpose is for others. Whenever we have wish, we are having wishes. Every time we all came here with a lot of heavy loads of wishes. But when you have wishes, it is attached with purpose. You have got a purpose. You have got a responsibility. The responsibility is to protect our nation, protect the interest and welfare of the people of India, especially when we are here, we are people of Kerala. Priyapattavare, when Guruji told me, I asked Guruji, I requested Guruji, I was in a confusion. I floated a political party. I've been working on this political for the last 7-8 years. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏവർക്കും അറിയാവുന്നതാണ് കേരള പീപ്പിൾസ് പാർട്ടിയുടെ കാര്യം, the politics. We have actually why a film star floated a political party. ഞാൻ അതിന്റെ കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നില്ല. വളരെ ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ തന്നെ എന്റെ മനസ്സിൽ ഉദിച്ച ഒരു അസ്വസ്ഥത, ആ അസ്വസ്ഥതയുടെ ഒരു ഔട്ട്ലെറ്റ് ആണ് ഈ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ പാർട്ടി. Political, now we see, we have lost politics from the existing political parties. My humble vision is to bring back politics into the political parties. We have lost that. What is politics? You should know what is politics. I am not giving you examples because of lack of time. Priyapattavare, Keraliyare, Guruji has told me we need change. We need change. നദിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരു നദിയിൽ ഒരിക്കൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റെപ്പിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുള്ളൂ. അടുത്ത പ്രാവശ്യം സ്റ്റെപ്പിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് മറ്റൊരു വെള്ളത്തിലേക്കാണ്. So even the nature is changing. ഈ concept has arisen even before Socrates. We need change. We need change in politics. നമ്മുടെ പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ അപ്രോച്ചിൽ മാറ്റങ്ങൾ വരണം, പുതിയ ആശയങ്ങൾ വരണം. ഇപ്പോ ഗുരുജി എപ്പോഴും പറയുന്നത് പോലെ കറപ്ഷൻ, ഡീപ് റൂട്ടഡ് കറപ്ഷൻ. ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട Jethmalani ji, corruption in our country. We have been fighting with these people, but I can understand one thing. I know them. I know one thing. In the political system, a system, chattu cheeniya naariya political system aanundu. The present political system is dead. The present political system is decayed, and the present political system is rotten, and they are dead people who does not listen, who cannot listen, cannot hear anything. So we want a change in political sphere. Now the present political scenario has been melted into a liquid form, which has no direction, which has no shape to flow. We want a change. We want a change. And Guruji has asked me to be in politics. I am doing that. I am doing that. And with his blessings, I will be there. As Jethmalani ji told him, but he wants people to support him. And we are here. I am here to support you, sir. The good wishes to all of you. കേരളത്തിന്റെ ആശംസകൾ, കേരളത്തിന്റെ പ്രാർത്ഥനകൾ ഗുരുജിയുടെ തൃപാദങ്ങളിൽ അർപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ജ്ഞാനപ്പാനയുടെ ഈ മഹത്തായ സംരംഭത്തിനും ഇതിന്റെ പ്രചരണത്തിനും എന്നും എന്റെ സഹകരണങ്ങളും സർവീസസും ഒന്നുകൂടി പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് എന്റെ എളിയ വാക്കുകൾ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്, ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്.